Hi everyone, welcome to C Programming Aptitude session. This is the first question. Int main, int I is equal to 1 and with a semicolon far. Inside the far, I have placed two semicolon. After the for loop also have placed this semicolon. Printf percentage %d I plus plus. If I is equal to 5, then I have placed the break. Predict the output of this code. Please roll the following options. You can pause this video. You can predict the output of this code. Now we will execute this code. Now, if you are trying to execute, you will get the compile time error. You can go and check in the error logs, break statement not within the loop or switch. This error because of I have placed a semicolon in front of the for loop. So if I'm trying to remove this for or semicolon for the for loop, then this code is absolutely work fine. Then you will get the output of 1, 2, 3, 4. If we are trying to place semicolon at the end of the for loop, then this will treat it as a compile time error. It never get inside the for loop. So that's the reason it is showing the compile time error like break statement not within the loop or a switch. This kind of error you will get it. To overcome this difficulty, so better to remove the semicolon for the for loop, then this code is absolutely work fine. When it reaches for the I value is 5, then when the break encounter, we are coming out of the for loop. This is the second question. Int main, int I is equal to 1, while here I have not placed any condition, just a blank while loop. And printf percentage %d plus plus I, if I is equal to 5, then the break. Predicting output of this code, these are all the following options. Now I will execute this code. Now, if you are trying to execute this code, you will get the compile time error. And this is the point you should be remember, guys. Condition in a while loop is a must. If you are not placing the condition inside the while loop, so that you will get the compile time error. You can go and check the error logs, line number 28, expected expression before some token. So to overcome this difficulty, if I place any condition, suppose first time I will place a 1, while followed by 1 is always an infinite loop. So infinite means here I have placed one condition. Why? Because here y followed by 1 is always true. Then here gets incremented by 1. It's become a 2. I value is 2. 2 equal to 5. No. Again, while condition is true, it's become 3. In the same way, and keep on printing. When it is reaches the value is 5. In the break encounter, we are coming out of it. Unless we don't want to put a 1 here, you can place any condition. So I will place I less than for whatever the condition. If you want to keep, you can keep any condition here, no issue. But if I completely remove the things inside the while loop, then if you're trying to compile it, then we'll get the compile time error. So conclusion is condition inside the while loop is must. This is the third question. Int main int k is equal to 10 while k less than or equal to 15. Printf here I'm trying to print the value of k. Here I have placed a condition if k greater than or equal to 12. Go to statement. Here I've used the go to statement, go to followed by the function. Here I have declared it void function. This is the go to statement, function C, printf, and printing the value of C. Predict the output of this code. These are all the following options. You can pause this video, you can predict an output of this code. If I'm trying to compile, guys, you will get the compile time error. So I will go and check the error logs here. What kind of errors encounter? So just observe the line number 54, label function used but not defined. So what exactly the point you have to remember is Go-to cannot take control to the different function. Here I'm taking the function to outside the main. So go-to cannot take the control to the different function. So if you want to work from this, so I can cut this to statement, I can place it inside. Now there is no compile time error in this code. No compile time error. If I run, it will print the infinite time. It will print the value 10. So I will place a slash n so that it will get better clarity. So 10 will be displayed infinite times. Why? Because 10 less than or equal to 15, condition is true, 10 gets printed on the screen. Then what's the value here? 10 greater than or equal to 12, right? Condition is false. We are never get inside this. And again, we have to come for the while loop. We have to check the condition. Here I'm not yet incremented the k value only. So always it's 10 only, 10 less than or equal to 15 only. So that is the reason it is printing the value infinite times. This is the fourth question, guys. Int main int I is equal to 10, switch followed by the I, case 10. Here I'm printing the value of C, the break keyword. Case 10 into 2 plus 1 printf. Here I'm printing the value of C++. So predict an output of this code. These are all the following options. I'm trying to compile and run. So absolutely it just prints the value of C here. I value is 10, which followed by the expression, which followed by the expression is 10, and case is satisfied here 10. I'm printing the value of C. And here, how exactly this case considers 10 into 2, 20 plus 1, 21. When the value is 21, then only this case value will be satisfied. Suppose if I'm trying to change the I value to the 21, the switch off followed by the 21. Then if I compile and run this code, then C++ will be works. In this way, this code works. This is the fifth question, guys. Int main int k is equal to 10, switch followed by the 10. If k is equal to 10, print C, then the break. Then after the switch case, I'm printing the C++. Predict an output of this code. These are all the following options. Now, if I'm compile and run this code, C++ will be displayed on the screen. Why? Because inside the switch case, you should use at least any cases or default statement should be used. If you're not using any cases or any default, the statement never be executed. So that's the reason it is printing the C++. Then the next question, I want to execute this statement. At least you should use a default. Then now, see, it will go for the default. K value is 10, 10 is equal to 10, condition is true, printing the C value, the break encounter, it comes out. Or else at least you should provide the cases. So I can say case 10 only. If I provide the case 10, this code is absolutely work fine. And if I'm not providing any cases, any default, then this code won't work. So that's the reason at the end of the statement, C++ will be displayed on the screen. Kindly practice this code well. Hello guys, do follow me and Sukshmas for more questions, MCQ as well as the e-notes. If you are beyond knowing participant, try to alter my code and options, then post it as a MCQ on Sukshmas platform to get very good quality bonus points. Practice well. See you in my next session. Thank you.